Good morning, everyone. Today we're back at Universal Studios Hollywood for a quick update. We're checking out the construction here on the Fast and Furious coaster. Everybody's calling it Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, but if you see where the loading platform is, I'm calling it Fast and Furious Springfield Drift. I don't know. Coming along nicely, as you can see, that loading platform is being built behind us. We're going to check out the construction here, see what updates there are around the park, and of course they're gearing up for the 60th anniversary of the studio tour, which begins April 26th. You'll actually be able to get out of the tram and do a short walk through a portion of the back lot, which we believe, although we're not 100% sure, will be the Psycho set and the Bates Motel and possibly War of the Worlds, but we're not quite sure. We're going to check that out on the tour today. They've installed an official replica of the Hollywood sign we'll take a look at with the help of the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce, plus a bunch of other surprises, including the reopening of the Earthquake attraction, which has been completely updated. It's been closed for a while, so that'll all debut April 26th, and that'll run through the summer. And we will be here for a special preview a few days before anyway, so we'll give you a sneak peek of that. But let's take a look at this construction here, then head on down to the studio tour. Not quite open yet. The park opens in a few minutes. Our first update here is the Fast and Furious coaster, and it looks like maybe the loading platform. This has been like this for a few weeks. We'll take a look on the backside, see what construction we can see from the sides, and then also on the tram tour. The Moulin Rouge building, which is a restaurant buffet for the VIP tour, is still behind work walls. Not sure what they're doing or when this will be complete. Looks like the little snack stand, which has been missing since Horror Nights, is back. Look at that. This was not here last week when we were here.
Gus, are you in the one? Is that the worst person can get? Or is there like a crawl?
Let's go see where we make movies and television shows and stuff.
We got a glamour tram. Look at that. So they've brought the glamour trams back for the 60th anniversary of the studio tour, beginning April 26th through August 11th. Not all the trams will be glamour trams, but some of them have been converted. And everybody always asks on Facebook and the Trip Planning groups, is the studio tour extra? No, the studio tour is included in your admission, just like any other attraction, ride, or show here at Universal Studios. No special planning is required. Just get in line whenever you'd like to, but it will be busy, so just keep that in mind. We will start our narration of the studio tour here. Behind these fences, we believe will be a house for Halloween Horror Nights this fall. As we turn the corner onto the back lot, guests during the 60th anniversary studio tour will go past Courthouse Square, not pictured here, and there may even be a Doc Brown sighting. On the tour today, we didn't see too much on the back lot as there was filming going on, but expect to see more on your 60th. Turning the corner, that bridge behind us, there is the Runaway Train. The Runaway Train will make an appearance on that 60th anniversary. And on today's tour, we actually went down this street, which we don't normally do because of construction and refurbishments. Glad to see this. This building is home to the Earthquake attraction, which is getting its refurbishments completely updated for the 60th anniversary. So starting April 26th, guests will get a peek at this attraction once again. It's been closed for a while. Now let's take a look at the Jaws set. In the background, some of the houses at Amity are being refurbished for that 60th anniversary tour. They're getting a fresh coat of paint, new signage, and more. Oh, wait a second. Is that fire? They always park the tram in front of the fire. And wait for it. Wait for it. There he is. It's Jaws. Here's a look at that glamour tram once again. Looks really good for the 60th. Here's a look at those houses on Amity. As you can see, some work is being done right now. We went down Wisteria Lane, some painting was being done, and these houses are being refurbished as well. They look really nice. The Lions Estate sign are back. That is from Back to the Future. And we bypassed the Psycho set, the Bates Motel, and War of the Worlds, as this will be the major focal point of that 60th anniversary tour. We believe you're going to get off and walk through a portion of this. We're not sure how much, but you're definitely going to get off the tram and get a picture in front of the Psycho House. That was our backlot tour. A lot of things were closed today in preparation of that 60th, so we did not go past the Psycho House or the Bates Motel or through the War of the World set as they were working back there, but we know there is a Hollywood sign installed. We did see the Lions Estate signs which have been put out. The Hollywood sign is back there by Psycho, I believe, so we'll see that next time. And they were working on all the sets. Also closed was the Flood. They were working on that also. And they were painting the Amity sets. They were painting the Desperate Housewives Street. All kinds of work going on in the back lot in preparation for that 60th, which is coming up here in just a few days. So they have a lot to finish and get touched up before that starts. So let's head on back up to the upper lot now and check out that construction on the side of the new Fast and Furious coaster. As promised, here's a look at another location for Halloween Horror Nights. This was The Last of Us last year. If you have any idea what houses may appear this year for 2024, put it down in the comments. There's that other location we saw from the tram tour. And now here's a look at Super Nintendo World. So we can see what we assume is a loading station, and then some of the track has gone vertical up there next to Springfield. That is it here from Universal Studios Hollywood. Comment below with your favorite attraction on the studio tour. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on and follow us on social media. We'll put a link at the end of this video to all the information on that Studio Tour 60 coming up. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel, as we will have a preview a few days before it actually opens. All right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. As I got back in the car, I forgot to mention that the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen on City Walk, they have done a little bit of remodeling, and they've put a bar in a portion of where the retail shop was. So if you're looking for a drink on the way in or out of the park and traveling through City Walk, check out Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen, and say hello to Professor Dr. Penelope Thibault Tinker Toothsome and her trusty sidekick, Jock.